The LYZRC L900 Pro Max drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for 4K HD aerial photography and smooth flying experiences. Whether you're capturing stunning footage from the sky, shooting complex shots with Follow Me mode, or exploring waypoint flight, the L900 Pro Max offers the latest in drone technology. This brushless motor drone comes with advanced features such as GPS-assisted flight, optical flow positioning, and laser obstacle avoidance for a safer and more reliable flying experience. The L900 Pro Max is equipped with a 4K HD wide-angle camera, capable of recording 5120x2880 photos and 1920x1080 video, ensuring high-quality visuals. The camera angle is adjustable by 90 degrees via the remote controller, allowing you to capture unique perspectives from the sky. Additionally, the 5G Wi-Fi functionality enables real-time video transmission to your smartphone, making it perfect for live streaming or capturing moments on the go. Whether you're flying outdoors or indoors, the optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode provide stability and precise control, allowing you to shoot steady photos and videos. With 18 minutes of flight time powered by the 7.4 2200 mAh battery, you can cover more ground and explore your surroundings without constantly worrying about battery life. Key features of the LYZRC L900 Pro Max drone. 4K HD camera, capture 5120x2880 photos and 1920x1080 video with a wide-angle lens and adjustable camera angle, 90 degrees via remote. GPS-assisted flight, enjoy precise positioning, one key return to home, and automatic return when battery is low or signal is weak. Obstacle avoidance, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance for safer flights, preventing collisions and ensuring smooth flying. Brushless motor, quiet, powerful, and reliable, offering a more stable flight with fewer maintenance needs. Follow Me mode, automatically follows you and keeps you in the frame for hands-free flying and selfie capturing. Waypoint Flight Mode, plan your route using the app and let the drone follow it autonomously for more creative shots. Optical flow positioning and altitude hold, stable and precise control, especially for indoor and low-altitude shots. Foldable and portable, easy to carry and transport with its foldable arms, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Battery life, 18 minutes of flight time with a 2200 mAh battery for extended exploration. Specifications: camera resolution, 5120x2880, photo, 1920x1080, video. Battery, 7.4 2200 mAh lithium battery. Flight time, 18 minutes. Remote control range, up to 1,200 meters, no interference. Wi-Fi transmission distance, 300 to 600 meters. Motor, brushless motor. Material, high strength, durable engineering plastics. Camera angle, 90 degrees adjustable via remote control. Included in the box: L900 Pro Max and L900 Pro SE drone, optional with without obstacle avoidance. Remote controller. Battery, pre-installed in the drone. USB charging cable. 8 spare propeller blades. User manual. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or a hobbyist looking for a versatile and powerful drone, the LYZRC L900 Pro Max is the perfect choice for aerial photography, video capture, and exploration. With its 4K HD camera, laser obstacle avoidance, and advanced flight features, this drone will take your flying experience to new heights. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.